Hi guys, Ramadan Mubarak to all my Muslim viewers. Today I'm making Papdi Chaat with phyllo pastry. Peel, wash and cut your potatoes, then add them into a pot. Then add in the water, turmeric and salt. Cook on high heat until the potatoes are soft. Strain them and place them into a bowl, then use a fork to break it into smaller pieces. The filling is ready to use as is, but to add a bit more flavor, I like to add in some butter, coriander, onion, chilli, and milk. Mix it together well, then set it aside till needed. Cut your phyllo pastry into 10 cm squares. I'm making 12, so I have 24 squares. Place one square onto your work surface and brush it with some melted butter. Then place over a second piece and brush it with some more butter. Place the pastry into an ungreased muffin pan and use your fingers to shape it into a cup. Bake at 180 degrees for 5 minutes. To assemble, you'll need the potato filling, some plain yogurt, some tamarind sauce. I made my own, but store-bought is perfect. Some coriander sauce. This one has some chilli in it. Some fried phyllo strips, or you could use serve. And some pomegranate seeds. Remove the pastry from the oven, then place them onto a tray and allow them to cool completely. Add 1 tablespoon of the filling into each cup. Then top with the yogurt, tamarind sauce, coriander sauce, some fried phyllo strips, and the pomegranate seeds. And these are ready to serve immediately. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!